everyone, today I will guide German users through the most detailed steps to buy Trump tokens with zero fees on KCEX. I will cover spot trading and leverage long-short strategies. Why KCEX? The ultimate platform for German traders. 3 unbeatable advantage. First, zero fees. Unlike Coinbase, 0.6 makers, 1.2 taker fees. KCEX charges no fees for spot, futures, or withdrawal. Second, no KYC, no ID or address verification. Sign up with an email entry instantly. Third, exclusive welcome bonus. Use my referral link in the description to claim 490 USDT instantly. Use it for trading or withdraw freely. Security. Always access KCEX via KCEX account to avoid phishing. Let's transfer USDT from Coinbase to KCEX via Coinbase wallet and base change. Why use Coinbase wallet? Coinbase does not currently support direct transfer to KCEX, so you will need to use an alternative method. Coinbase wallet provides a similar solution by linking directly to your Coinbase account, enabling fast and efficient transfers. Additionally, we will use base change, a layer 2 network developed by Coinbase that offers zero gas fees and high-speed transactions. Here is the step-by-step transfer process. First, log into Coinbase, click Send Crypto, and select Coinbase wallet as the recipient. Choose USDC and ensure the base change is selected as the network. Enter the amount, starting with a test transfer of 10 USDC for safety, and click Preview, click Sales Custody Wallet, and click Sending to myself. Click Preview Send, and confirm the transaction by clicking Send Now, and then open Coinbase wallet, click Send, enter the amount, for example 10 as well, and click Match. And then on KCEX, navigate to Wallet, click Deposit, select USDC and base chain. Copy the KCEX deposit address and paste it into the Coinbase wallet. Click on it, confirm by clicking Send. Within 5 minutes, in the Send Deposit page, scroll to Review Recent Deposits and check the status. Once the status reassessed, the transfer is complete. By following this process, you can ensure a fast, cost-free, and reliable USDC transfer while bypassing Coinbase direct transfer restriction to KCEX. And then we need to convert USDC to USDT and 5% APY. Why convert? USDC is easiest for Germans to buy on Coinbase with Europe. All KCEX pairs, including Trumps, use USDT. Here is conversion steps. On KCEX, click Spot, search USDC, USDT, go to the trading pair, click Sell USDC, select Market Order, enter full balance, and then click Sell USDC. Don't forget to earn passive interest if total assets greater than 500 USDT. Go to Wallet, click Flexible Savings, tick the box, and enable Flexible Savings, and just click Comfort. Then you can enjoy 5% APY. Next, let's buy Trump tokens. Click Spot at the top, search Trump USDT in the trading bar, click on it, and then we can place order. First, for market order, you can instant buy at current price, enter amount, for example 10, and click Buy Trump. And for limit order, you can set a target price, for example 15, and enter the amount like 10 and click Buy Trump. The last step is check holdings. Go to Wallets, click Sports. Scroll down, you can track your Trump balance and profit and loss. And then let's go leverage long-short tradings on Trump. Click Futures. Here are some key terms. Long, which means borrow USDT to buy Trumps, profits if price rise. Short, which means borrow Trumps to sell, profits if price drop. So let's go to opening the order process. First, make sure your trading pair is Trump USDT. And then for margin mode, choose isolating, limits raise, click Convert. And for leverage, choose 5 times. Use drawdown or scroll to do any if you want, click Convert. And then we can open position. They have the limit, market order as well. They are the same in spot. So here we will use market as an example. Just enter margin, for example 10. Then you can see how much Trump you can buy. Click open long. And here you can see your liquidation price and profit and loss. Just click Convert. If you want to open shorts, same steps, enter your margin, but click open short this time, click Convert. And scrolling down, you can track your position here. Just monitor liquidation price and profit and loss under open position tab. You can also use graph as well. Finally, KCEX offers free withdrawal for all cryptocurrency. Go to Wallet, click Withdraw, select coins like USDT, paste the withdrawal address, enter full amount, and submit. Processing time usually completed in 10 minutes, varies with network conjunction, but usually within a minute in my case. In conclusion, KCEX is the cheapest, no KYC crypto exchange globally. Use my link below to grab your 490 USDT bonus. If this helped, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.